So in this video, I want to talk about something called as the master score. Now, what is master score? A master score is like a rating that is given by the MarketSmith India platform to every stock. And this rating gets updated every single day. Okay. And that single rating comes from a host of factors when combined together. So every stock has technical and fundamental factors. When we combine all of those factors for a particular stock and we compare that stock with all the other stocks in the Indian stock market, based on those factors, you come up with something called as the market master score. So the master score helps us determine whether the stock is worth looking at. Is it worth our time or not? So it is like a filter. Okay. And I will explain which stocks having a particular master score should be worth your time. So it is more like a filter which we can use. So let's go to MarketSmith. This is the MarketSmith India website. Let's open any stock. So this is Zomato. Let's open Zomato. Okay. So this is what you get. Now the master score in MarketSmith India comes in two versions. Okay. One is this A here. See, this could be A, B, C, D, or E. And MarketSmith recommends that you only consider stocks which have a rating from A or B. Okay. You don't look at C, D, or E. And I will explain that. They have given an explanation on a page. We will look at that page. So remember, A, B, C, D, E, you only look at stocks which are rated A or B. That's it. That's a filter for you. Okay. That filter will keep you away from most market traps available out there, because this filter comes by combining fundamental and technical factors of a stock, which we will discuss shortly. Another way to look at master score is this. When you click here, I will expand this. See, master score 80. What does this 80 mean? I will explain that. Okay. We will look at the master score rating as well. This rating, see, I prefer this rating to be 80 or more, but MarketSmith recommends that if this is 60 or more, it is better. Okay. So let's first try to understand where this master score is coming from and what is included in the calculation of this master score. Once we understand what it includes, then we can interpret it properly. Okay. Just because it is above 80 doesn't mean that it's a good stock. Okay. It has all the fundamental and technical factors in its favor, but how do we interpret this value? That is important. For that, we need to know what's the definition of this. So let's go to that page. So this is MarketSmith. Click on product, click on support. Now I want you to look at this page. See, if you scroll down, okay. If you scroll down, see this, they talk about market score here. Let's keep scrolling down. Somewhere here you will find the master score definition. See, what is master score rating? See, this is master score rating. The MarketSmith master score combines characteristics of the most successful stocks into one easy to use rating. So what MarketSmith has done is they have studied the past 125 years of stock market history, and they have studied the characteristics of growth stocks that have gone up 100%, 200%, even thousands of percent. They tried to look at the characteristics before these stocks made their move. Okay. And when they came up with these characteristics, they combined all these characteristics and decided to give one single rating to the stock. And these characteristics are fundamental and technical. When you combine all of that for a particular stock and you weigh that stock against all the stocks in the stock market, you get a rating. It's like a ranking. Okay. So it's like a single measure. Once you look at that measure, okay, that tells you whether the stock is worth investigating further or not. It doesn't mean you have to buy. What it means is that you stay away from the stocks which don't have a proper master score rating. Okay, the formula incorporates earnings growth. So we are talking fundamentals. Then relative price trend. So this is technicals. Price volume characteristics. Again, this is technical. Industry group relative strength. Again, this is technical, and other factors. Now, this is not given in detail, but there are tons of factors which we can look at for a particular stock before we can arrive at the rating. In general, concentrate your investment research on stocks with a rating of B or better, which means A or B. Okay. So this number that you see here, let me open that. So let's write Zomato. See, this is A rated stock. Okay. Let's look at some other stocks. Maybe uh, Chambal fertilizer. Let's see what this is B rated stock. Okay. So see the rating changes. So A and B is acceptable. If this number is, if this is C, D, or E, okay, then don't even bother looking at the stock. You're wasting your time. Okay. So this, and that's why they have highlighted this. This is very important. Just looking at this one single rating, it combines all the factors. So this number. Okay. So now you understand what is the market's master score rating. Relative price strength means combining the 52-week performance or comparing the 52-week performance of this stock with all the other stocks in the Indian stock market. Price volume characteristics means when the price is going up on a particular day, is the volume high or not? Industry group relative strength means you look at the performance of every industry group and you take the top 20 percentile. Okay, that's called relative strength. And earnings growth, basically the quarterly earnings growth, latest 2 quarters, recent quarter, annual earnings, and 5-year cumulative average uh, compounded annual growth rate. Okay, these are the things that this rating comprises of. Now, just because a stock shows A rating or B rating doesn't mean that you buy. There are other things you have to look at. The stock should be performing a proper base. The stock should be in early or middle stage base. There should be tight price action on the right side of the base. Plus, you have to look at earnings growth, exactly what it is. Okay. You have to look at individual price strength, EPS rating. All the definitions are given here. Okay. So go to product and click on support. You will find everything. Now let us go to market score, master score. Okay. So master score you will find somewhere here. Let me scroll down. See master score here. So it will be given somewhere here. See master score. The MarketSmith master score incorporates earnings growth. So the same thing they are repeating. Earnings growth, relative price strength, price volume characteristics, industry group relative strength, and other factors. To create one easy to use rating of stocks that share similar characteristics of most successful stocks in our historical study. So basically, a company which has a master score rating of A or B, okay, it is showing similar characteristics to the characteristics that were found in the most successful stocks in the past. So this is like we have a historical precedents. Past history of the stock market was studied. Some characteristics were identified which make a stock go up. And if the master score is high, that means we are closer to those characteristics. In general, concentrate your research on stocks with a rating of B or better. Now, see, the B means they are saying 60 or better. So, a master score rating between 60 to 80, okay, that would be B, and from 80 to 99, that would be A. That is what I understand from all the data that they have given here. Let's see whether they have given any more information here. Let's see. I don't see any more information given here. Market cap classification is here. Let me type master score. Let's see master score here. See, they have given it here. In general, concentrate your investment research on stocks with a rating of B or better. Escort's rating is B, so they are just considering giving an example of a stock. The ratings range from A to E, with stocks with master score more than or equal to 80 rated A, 60 to 80 is rated as B. So basically, this number that you see here, this number should be more than or equal to 60. That's it. As long as that is the case, you could consider the stock in your radar. Okay. If it is not there, just forget about the stock. Okay. Remember, let me reiterate, just because this is more than 60 or just because it is A or B doesn't mean you have to buy. You have to wait for a proper base formation. You also have to look at other parameters. You also have to look at the daily and the weekly chart to make your ultimate decision. But this is like a filter which could be used. So directly, if you want to see how to apply that filter, you can go here, see in filters. See, if I click here, see there is master score A, B, C, D, E. So if you just click A, B, it will only give you stock. If you remove all these filters, just click A, B, it will give you all the stocks in the Indian stock market with a master score of A or B. Now that could be hundreds of stocks which you can't scan in a single day. So you have to put some other filters. Okay. So you can use master score as a filter. This single filter will keep you away from most market traps available out there, because this filter combines the best of fundamentals and technical factors, and then compares that stocks fundamental and technical factors with the fundamental and technical factors of all other stocks in the Indian stock market. I don't think there is any other website which is doing this. Okay, which is why I personally like MarketSmith very much, because most other websites I see, they give comparison in terms of ratios, but they are not comparing the fundamental and technical factors taken together using the factors that affect the stock prices the most. Okay, this is very important. So again, let me repeat, master score rating should be A or B, or the rating should be above 60. 60 to 80 is B rating. 80 to 99 is A rated. Okay. If you don't want to remember the number, just remember A or B. That's it. Simple. That's a filter for you there. So I hope you understand master score. They have not given the detailed formula. They have just told that this is a proprietary rating and they use multiple factors. Hey, as long as those factors remain constant, and we assume that it remains constant for every stock, because William O'Neill company has been in existence for more than, I guess, 60, 70 years now. Okay. So we can trust the brand. The brand value is at stake here. So we can trust these ratings. So please focus your research only on those stocks which are rated A or B. This is applicable to growth stock investing, where you are trading a breakout trading system, stocks which are in a stage 2 uptrend. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I want this video to reach as many professional stock traders as possible, so that this can help them improve their accuracy, their batting average. Thank you so much.